Hello world, I welcome you all to this YouTube channel, and today I want to show us how to access a MikroTik device, particularly if you are a first-time user. You can see from the screen that I am on their website microtik.com, where you have information about all the products that they have available. And for you to access a MikroTik device, very essential for you to have a utility known as WinBox, and that can be gotten from the software section where you will download the utility. So if you are using a 64-bit system or a 32-bit system, download the respective one for your system, that is your laptop. I have it already downloaded on my system. So once you have downloaded it, you can now connect your device to your laptop. And for you to do that, launch your WinBox, power the device, and you will see certain information on your screen once you are connected to it using the Ethernet cable. The default IP for all MikroTik devices is 192.168.88.1, as you are seeing it on the screen, where the default login is admin, and for the password it is blank. You don't need to type anything. So if you want to log in using the IP address, it is expected that you configure your system to be in the same subnet with their default IP, and you can change the last octet to 2, that is 192.168.88.2 on your system, and the subnet mask as well, 255.255.255.0. that is the default subnet mask. So once the information is correct, I like using the MAC address. If you click on it, you will see it displayed at the upper part of the window. So I just click connect, and this will give me access to the device. And with this, you can now configure it to your taste. Most MikroTik devices comes with their own default configuration. Most of them comes with certain default configuration, so you can maintain it or you can remove it. It's advisable that you remove it security wise. So to do that, just click on remove configuration, and everything has been erased. In some cases, the WinBox will disconnect you from the device. That is, you have to relaunch again. And once that is done, you will see that the IP address has changed from 192.168.88.1 to 0.0.0.0, just like you can see from the screen. So it has launched itself again, but if you want to confirm, just click on WinBox. It will still maintain the MAC address, but the IP address will change. So with that, now that I'm connected, so I can change the username for security purpose. And to do that, click on system, click on users, and supply your preferred information. So the name, I can change it to, let's say, Nigeria. The group has 3 categories: full, read, write. Full gives you complete access, complete control over the device. The read means that you can only view the configurations that has been done, but you cannot make any changes. While the write gives you access to configure, to instruct, to write commands for the device. So full is what we are going for, and our password, because this is just a demo, the password is admin, and confirm it again, then apply. Okay, that means that now, oh, you can see I choose read. Meanwhile, I was supposed to choose full, so that's like correction. So you can disable the default login details, or you can remove it depending on your choice. I like removing it. Another thing that you can do for the first time configuration is to change the clock. You come to system, click on clock. You can see the timing, particularly the dates here. This is 2023, and meanwhile you are still telling me 1970. So the time zone name, I like to use Lagos, Africa Lagos. The video is coming straight from Lagos. And apply. Okay, so that if I'm monitoring, to give me the real-time events as it is happening. Another thing that you also need to do after logging in is to disable services that you are not going to make use of. Come to IP services. Since we are just making it, since it's serving as a networking device and we don't need some ports being open, I will disable the following ports: FTP, SSH, Telnet, then the web, leaving the WinBox alone. You can also change the port number to an unassigned port number. Just go to Google, because there are certain services online or on some certain devices that already have a registered port. So just Google for unregistered ports on network devices, then you can choose whichever that you prefer. So with all these simple steps that we have displayed, this has shown us how to configure a MikroTik device first time. And lastly, the name, because if you have like 5,000 or more than one micro device on your network and all of them are carrying the default name MikroTik, you'll be confused if you want to manage or troubleshoot. So it's better you do that, and you can only do that by coming to System, Identity, and change it to whichever that you prefer. Let me say POPRTL Abuja. So anytime I log in, I'll know that I'm logging into this device and it's located where? At Abuja. So those are the simple steps to take while you are configuring your MikroTik router or MikroTik device for the first time. So on this YouTube channel, we are going to take you a wonderful adventure of how you can use MikroTik to achieve your networking task. I want to implore us to like, share, so that we'll grow this channel and also have more than enough competent network engineers in the world. Thank you for watching.